In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags in Zendesk. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So, let's get started. Tags are a powerful way to organize and categorize your tickets in Zendesk, helping you to streamline your workflow and improve your team's efficiency. First things first, you'll want to open a ticket. Head over to your tickets dashboard and pick any ticket that you need to manage. This is crucial because tags are specific to each ticket, and we'll be adding them to help with better organization throughout the support process. Once you've opened your ticket, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar of the ticket interface. Here, you'll find a field specifically labeled for tags. This is where the magic happens. It's easy to overlook this field, but it plays a vital role in ticket management. Now, click into the Tags field to begin adding your tag. As you type your identifier, you might notice a drop-down with suggestions provided by Zendesk. This is super helpful. It means that if you've used a tag before, Zendesk will automatically suggest it. This not only saves you time, but also helps maintain consistency across your tagging system. Once you've typed in the tag you want, it's important to confirm it. To do this, simply press the Enter key or the space bar on your keyboard. And guess what? You don't need to stop at just one tag. You can repeat the process and add multiple tags to the same ticket if needed. This flexibility allows you to categorize your tickets more effectively and make it easier for you and your team to find them later. Now, after you've added all the tags you want, remember that we need to save those changes. Look for the Submit button. This is usually located either at the bottom or top of the interface. Click it to save your updates before you navigate away from the ticket. It's that simple. And that's all there is to adding tags in Zendesk. Just to recap, you open your ticket, find the Tags field, type in your identifiers, confirm each tag, and don't forget to save your changes. Tags are such a valuable tool, and once you start using them, you'll notice how much easier it is to manage and track your tickets. They provide clarity, enhance collaboration, and ultimately lead to a better support experience for both you and your customers. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found this guide on adding tags in Zendesk helpful. If you have any questions or would like to see more videos on Zendesk tips and tricks, let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to the channel